What up, biatch? Yahoo! Wahoo! Yeah! Eto, sono lavato, l'abito! La pipa da sotto lavato, tutto!
She's a bitch!
What did you say, bitch?
Run, bitch! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yippee! Yahoo! Wahoo! Ma tutto ripeto, tutto ripeto, tutto una macchina pato! Oh, mamma mia, tutto ripeto, tutto ripeto! Wahoo!
Oh, being a YouTuber sounds like fun. Oh, I want to try.
Oh my god, what was I thinking? I don't need your bitch ass to make videos. I'll do them myself and get cash money.
Yeah!
Yay! Oh yeah!
Luigi Pie! Okay guys, welcome to Luigi's playthrough of Minecraft. This is my very first time, so I hope you guys like it a lot. Today in Minecraft, we are going to build a brothel. Oh, look, a chicken. Let's go chase the chicken. A chicken, fuck you. Okay, what next? Oh, look, another chicken. Yeah, go chase the chicken. You want to be my friend, Moose? Oh, yeah, Moose. You like that, don't you? I am so funny. I hope you guys enjoyed that playthrough of Luigi Pie.
Hey, Luigi!
Mamma mia!
Ma tutto ripeto, tutto una macchina pato!
That's boring. You're boring, everybody.
Get over
Wow!
Oh, well, okay, Mario recommended me this game and it has a dancing penguin, so it can't be that bad, right? Okay, let's start. We're going to look around. Whoa, what's that? Hello? Okay. Oh, it looks friendly enough. Guys, I'm gonna go check him out. Hello, hey bro, how you doing?
Oh!
Okay, that's it for Ouija Pie. I only shot myself once. Make sure you
Punched! I like banana face!
Too bad that didn't kill me.
It is 1969. Get it? 69. Anyway, oh shit, who's this sexy beast? It is the main character, Bob, of course. He is the sexiest man alive. Oh yeah, look at that ass.
Oh no, somebody save me!
I am Evil Bob. Gonna take your bitches.
Oh my god, have no fear, Bob is here to save you.
Bob! It's Bob! He's flying through the sky! Holy shit! Bob! Oh my god,
Stop right there, evildoer.
Yeah, I love
I will
Bob.
use my
I want
special
to sign
attack.
my breast. Please sign my ass. I love you. Oh
Oh
my
no,
god, it's Bob.
I have been defeated.
Bob dead.
Oh yeah, you've saved me!
Shut up, woman, let's make babies.
Welcome to Wario Invasion, where we eat the webs. Oh yeah, by the way, check out my house, I'm so rich.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Okay, this is my actual house, but it doesn't matter, cause we're gonna do pranks. But before we do, I wanna ask you, audience, for
50 million likes! Can we hit it on this video? 50 million likes! Can we fucking do it? What is good? 50 million! Smash that like button! It's right down there! I know you've seen it! Ah! Destroy that like button! Like I destroyed your mama's!
Okay, but now it's time for the real content of the video. But first, this video is brought to you by Wario's Micro Game Emporium, selling all these crappy games for a high price. Come on down, please.
Come on already!
We have a range of games such as Kill the Person, Run Over the Old Man, Play with Knives, Jump into Lava, and much, much more. Come on down to Wario's Emporium. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, that's like the prank. Okay, it's just a prank, bro. And that ends this episode of Wario Me. Buy my stuff.
I want to die.
We got this little toy over here, and a princess. So the princess come. Oh, how are you? I'm okay. Okay, kiss. Okay, I'm gonna look another guy came along. It's Dr. Eggman. Oh no, I'm gonna attack you. Oh no, don't attack me. Oh, can I have likes now?
Hello guys, it's Bowser's Cooking Show here. So the ingredients that we have today are, we have some tomatoes here, we have some lettuce or some shit, I don't know what that is. We have some eggs, I guess. Those look like eggs, I'm just gonna say they're eggs. And have some secret peach sauce here. I'm not gonna say what that is. Okay, so get all that shit, put it in that shit, let that shit fly, I don't know, like 10 seconds. Put that shit out and bam, you got a nice delicious meal there, very nutritious. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Why doesn't mine look like that?
Hi! Today, I'm gonna teach you how to look good for your man.
Turn down for weed.
It's a fucking masterpiece.
Boring.
Peace.
Hello! Ma, tutto repeso tutto nella macchina da pato. Let's go! Sono lavato, lo vedo!
Let's go. Okie dokie. Get ready to move your things.
Whoa!
Hey, that's pretty good.
Sonic the Hedgehog.
What the fuck is a Sonic?
Sono lavato, lo vedo! Okidoki. Peppo con se ta kotora pata con posto che tadora fa grato.
Bye!
Well, that was a load of shit.
If there's a better use for the internet, I haven't found it.
Hey guys, it's your favorite buddy, Fishy Mookins, and please check out these shirts over here. We opened a new shirt store. Did I do good? Is that okay? Okay, good. Yes.